friends, this is Dr. Kushagra and welcome back to my channel Dr. Coffee. Today I am going to discuss and review one of my favorite coffees. It is the coffee I like to start my day with. It is Nescafe Blend 37. It is a freeze-dried instant coffee. In this video, I am going to explain characteristics of Blend 37 and rate them out of 5. When to use Blend 37 and don'ts associated with Blend 37. So let's get into it. Now Blend 37 is made from Robusta type of coffee beans by darkly roasting them. If you don't know what are Robusta type of coffee beans, then you can check that out from my previous video from this channel. First character I want to talk about is the fragrance of the coffee granules. When you open this jar, you can easily smell the smell of caramel with dark chocolate. I'll give this 5 out of 5. The second character I want to talk about is fragrance after the cup of coffee is made. The Blend 37 does have intoxicating aroma of its granules, but when you make a cup of coffee, it doesn't smell as good as its granules. It rather smells as burnt dark chocolate. So I'll rate it 1 out of 5. Third character I want to talk about is the strength or caffeine content of Blend 37. Blend 37 is a powerful stuff. Its high can last as long as 4 to 5 hours if taken properly. So I'm going to give it 5 out of 5. Fourth character I want to talk about is extra flavors. When you make a cup of Blend 37, it doesn't have extra flavors, like it is not fruity or spicy, but it does have a little creaminess to its taste. It is evidenced by the fact that when you make a cup of Blend 37, there is a thin film of oil over the cup of that coffee. So I'm going to give it 2 out of 5. Fifth character I want to talk about is the taste of a cup of Blend 37. Now some people like to drink it fast, some people like to take their time and drink it slow. So I'm going to discuss both. When Blend 37 is hot, it predominantly tastes like burnt dark coffee. Now you can add cinnamon while you prepare it to dampen its harsh taste. When it gets cold, it tastes like caramel. So I'm going to average the score and give it 2 out of 5. The total score is 16 out of 25. Now you might think that 16 out of 25 is a bad score. But believe that it doesn't mean that it's a bad coffee. On the contrary, Blend 37 is one of the best coffees available in the market. It has perks that other coffees can't even match. Now I want to discuss how to use Blend 37. As I said earlier, Blend 37 has the highest content of caffeine of all the coffees available in the market. It is most useful if you want to jumpstart your day. It is most useful if you're having a slow energy day. It is most useful if you have a task that requires astonishing amount of concentration. The last thing I want to talk about today is what are the don'ts associated with Blend 37. Now you must be thinking, it's just a coffee, but don'ts can be associated with a coffee. So let's get into it. First is, don't ever drink Blend 37 at least 4 to 5 hours before bed. You won't be able to sleep. Second is, don't drink Blend 37 in excessive quantities. It will have side effects even after 1 cup of coffee. The side effects will be tremors, racing heart, excessive sweating, excessive blinking, extra energy, dry mouth, surroundings fading out. Third is, don't drink the cup of Blend 37 too fast. Stop, breathe, and cherish the cup. If you drink it too fast, you will have excessive and large amount of high in a very short span of time, and you will feel like a lunatic monkey on cocaine. Here is a chart I'm going to use to explain the high of Blend 37. Here on x-axis is the time taken to drink a cup, and on y-axis is high from that cup. Now on blue graph, when taken slowly, it maintains a constant good high for a longer period of time, whereas the red line shows amount of high if taken in short time. As clearly shown in the red line, it will overwhelm you if you drink it fast, so breathe and cherish the cup. Last don't I want to associate with Blend 37 is don't add ginger or cardamom while preparing a cup of Blend 37. These items accentuate its harsh taste and you won't be able to complete that cup of coffee. Also, Blend 37 is not for amateurs. That's it for today. Hope you found this video illuminating. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and goodbye.